unboxing this squishy sand stuff, and it's seen on TV, and I have no idea if we'll need a bowl or anything. It comes with stuff to scoop out, but I don't exactly know what we're gonna need, so let's put this thing open, I guess. Oh gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna need. Oh, cool! Wow. So it comes with, I guess the utensil things. It didn't say what I was gonna need, so I might have to run and go get the stuff that I need, I guess. Cardboards in the box. And then our sinks. Wow, plastic bags. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna have to suitable for ages 3. Do not make squishy sand with other brand or type of. Oh, I just dropped it. I guess I'll just see what the directions say. Is it already made in a bag? I'm not really sure. Work with your hands, a sand shape, squishy sand into any form of blah, 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 blah. Well, the good thing is it's non-toxic, odorless, and antibacterial. I don't know. I thought we had to make the slime. I mean, sand. I didn't know it's already made. I didn't know. Well, I guess I can see what it looks like. Oh gosh, it's like brown. This is so cool. Like, look at this brown. It smells terrible, but it's okay. I guess what's like sand. It is so. Let me show you. It's wow. It's super soft, even it really does stink. It smells like hot wings or something, but like buffalo. That's what it smells like to me. It smells disgusting, but yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. All squishy and it's brown and it looks like cinnamon or something. At one point, it looks like cinnamon. So yeah, they don't give us any directions, but they do have this. I guess I'll show you what they. So here. I thought you had to make this thing. I didn't know you actually. And they didn't really say. So you have this like little shovel. You can like scoop it out. This little. I don't know what this is. Okay, I guess it's like shape it out or something. And this little rolly thing. Basically, that's pretty much it. They don't really. Like, I thought you had to make the sand. I didn't know it was already made for you. So that's why I got confused. And I hope you love that unicorn slime video I had made. It took a lot of work, and I used this glue called Extreme Almost Right Glue. It actually made the slime really stringy. I would bring it out for you, but that's not good. It says it is seen on TV, and to be honest, this stuff has a disgusting smell, but it actually looks pretty cool, actually. I'm gonna make a video with this. Whoa. It's your age is 3 and up, but I'm not 3. But I'm 3 and up, so I'm not. I don't know. Well, I guess that's it for the video. I mean, I thought you had to make the same. I didn't know it was already made for you in the packaging. Warning and stuff. I don't need a warning. I already know. So, yeah, they don't really give much stuff. I thought you had to make it. That's why I got excited about buying this, because I thought you had to make this sign. But I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.